Do you struggle to manage your income effectively? It's a problem many face, trying to juggle bills, desires, and future financial goals. But what if there was a method to simplify this? A strategy that could bring clarity to your spending habits and peace to your bank account? Enter the 50-30/20 budget rule. This rule is a potential solution to your money management woes. Stay tuned as we delve into the 50-30-20 budget rule, a simple yet effective method to manage your income. What exactly is the 50-30-20 budget rule, you may ask? Well, it's a simple yet effective method for managing your finances. It divides your income into three categories: needs, wants, and savings, or debt repayment. Let's break it down. The first category, needs, should account for half of your income. This is the 50% part of the 50-30-20 rule. These are the things you absolutely cannot do without. This includes rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation costs, healthcare, and other basic necessities. These are the expenses that keep you safe and secure, the ones that, if not paid, could have serious repercussions. The next 30% of your income is allocated towards wants. These are the things that enhance your lifestyle but are not vital to your survival. This might include dining out, trips to the cinema, vacations, or funding your hobbies. This is the fun part of your budget, the part that lets you enjoy the fruits of your labor. But remember, this isn't a free-for-all. It's important to keep within this 30% boundary to ensure you're not living beyond your means. The final piece of the puzzle, the last 20%, is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This is the part of your budget that's going to set you up for a comfortable future. It includes contributions to your emergency fund, retirement savings, and any outstanding debt repayments. By allocating a part of your income to this category, you're making sure that you're prepared for unexpected expenses and are on track for a financially secure retirement. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is its simplicity and flexibility. It's a guideline, not a strict rule. If your needs exceed 50%, you can adjust. If you have more debt, you might allocate more to savings and debt repayment. The key is to find a balance that suits your personal financial situation. By following this rule, you can ensure a balanced budget that covers your essential needs, allows for personal enjoyment, and builds a solid financial future. Now that we understand the 50-30-20 rule, let's talk about how to put it into practice. First things first, you need to calculate your after-tax income. This is your total income after taxes have been deducted. This gives you a clear picture of the amount you have at your disposal to divide according to the rule. Next, identify your needs. These are the essentials that you can't live without, like housing, utilities, groceries, and healthcare. These should take up no more than 50% of your after-tax income. Then distinguish your wants. These are non-essential expenses, things that make life more enjoyable but aren't necessary for survival, like dining out, entertainment, and vacations. These should account for no more than 30% of your after-tax income. Lastly, pencil in at least 20% of your after-tax income for savings and debt repayment. This category is crucial for your long-term financial health. It might seem difficult at first, but with time and consistency, you'll see your savings grow and your debts shrink. Remember, the key to successfully implementing the 50-30-20 rule is consistency and discipline. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making informed decisions about where your money goes. It's about being in control of your finances, rather than letting them control you. With these steps, you can start taking control of your financial health today. To recap our discussion, the 50-30-20 budget rule is an effective blueprint to manage your income. 50% of your earnings are allocated towards your needs, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% is designated for your wants, allowing you to enjoy your income while maintaining a sensible balance. The remaining 20% is for savings and debt repayment, creating a safety net for your future. This straightforward method offers several benefits. It provides a stable financial structure, ensuring your basic needs are met without compromising on your desires. It also fosters financial freedom by encouraging you to save and pay off debts, thereby reducing financial stress and promoting peace of mind. Adopting this rule doesn't mean relinquishing all your pleasures. Rather, it's about building a sustainable financial habit that promotes a healthy balance between spending, saving, and investing. Remember, managing your income effectively is not a destination, but a journey. And with the 50-30-20 budget rule, you're well equipped for the ride. Thank you for watching.